Here he is, folks. The king of the jungle. Kingmera. As you have noticed, Kingmera is one of the rare yokai that I've managed to obtain in the Yokai Watch video games. And not only that, but I have also, drum roll please, I have also obtained Kingmera's yokai medal as well. Kingmera is one of my favorite classic yokai for reasons that I've come to admire. For the reason that Kingmera is one of the rarest and one of the strongest yokai in the yokai realm. Not only that, but this guy can manipulate electricity. It can use electric type attacks. I consider this one to be one of my favorites as well. By the way, did you see episode 44 of Super Dragon Ball Heroes? It finally got released. Classic! Ah! It's so interesting. This here is his tail that's on the bottom of his body. As you have noticed, it's more like a cobra. Got this. And finished. One more minute. We just gotta draw the rest of his hair. There. That is how you draw the Kingmera. I better head back inside. It's gonna get icy out here. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel and let me know what Pokemon you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.